With the release of the new version, ActivePresenter allows accessing, not only Amazon Poly and Google Cloud Voices, but also Microsoft Azure Voices. This video will show you how to activate Microsoft Azure Voices for text-to-speech feature in ActivePresenter. First of all, you have to create an Azure account. Click the Start Free button, then sign in by either your email address, phone number, or Skype. Next, you are asked to fill up your basic information to verify your identity. Agree with the terms and conditions, click Sign Up to complete. Now, go to Azure Portal. On the Create page, let's provide information to create a resource. After finishing, notifications from Microsoft Azure are sent to you. Let's check them and click Go to Resource. Now, to grab your keys and endpoint, click here. Select either Key 1 or Key 2, and the endpoint, then paste them in the corresponding box, in the Cloud Text-to-Speech Authentication dialog. Remember the correct format of the endpoint. After that, click Test Authentication to check the validity of your keys. That's it.